everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all have heard about Pidilite company. So IIDS has conducted Pidilite workshop at our very own place at a Jolly Garden. So here we have Mrs. Sheetal Chopra ma'am and Miss Nitya Chopra ma'am. So let's ask about their experience at our place. Ma'am, how was your experience, the 3 days workshop? How was it?
It was very good, memorable experience. Children, we love to have children who cooperate with us, and everyone cooperated very well, and they have come out with very nice creations.
And even we have learned so many good articles which we can even use at our homes or at any commercial place, like on the work table, or even we can keep some pottery, like we have learned pottery, right? So we can keep it at like our TV cabinet as a showpiece design. So I think this is very useful in our field. So ma'am, can you please tell 2 to 3 uses in architecture how to assemble these things at your place?
When you are assembling your pottery items, you can assemble them on your work table, in your drawing rooms, in your home, in your drawing rooms, in the side tables or anywhere. These items which we have brought from Pidilite, which workshops we arrange, they are so beautiful that you can arrange it at any place. They would give a very nice texture to your place.
And then please tell our people that where else we can use it, like apart from architecture, because many housewives, they can use, when they sit at home, they can design on their own.
On their own, you can even make bandhanwas for Diwali. You can beautify your homes with these bandhanwas, shubh and even many more paintings. Housewives who are sitting at home, they can work well with their colors. These colors are so eco-friendly and so nice, and you can make so beautiful things out of them.
Exactly.
So anywhere you want to put your things, you can even use anywhere you want.
Definitely. So ma'am, how was your experience with us?
My experience was really good. Like I enjoyed a lot with you all. You gave me same happiness like I feel. And like our company Pidilite main motive is to create an artist in yourself. If you are doing architect or anything, fashion designing also, our Pidilite company wants that we teach you something new that apart from that course. So you will beautify that you will beautify your room or anything else that you want. Like we want ki your artist should come out. Our main motive is that only.
So even we enjoyed a lot. The 3 days workshop meant like so many days, and in very little time we got to know so many things.
So
thank you so much ma'am, and we expect you to come again in future. Like every year we want you should be here and make us learn so many new things. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.